Hey, Dave Cook coming at you. We're doing some wallpaper, so I thought I'd do a quick thing on taking a wallpaper table down. We've done one putting it up, but here's one. We've got it set up right now. We got tape put on the ends, because this tape will actually help the table stay together as you're using it. Sometimes the pins will come apart. So we got tape at both ends. So take the tape off. I just wiped it down real quick. So now it's kind of nice having a cart like that, because you can take each piece off. I got them numbered 1, 2, and 3, so it's easy to put back together when the next time you put it back. But sometimes the glue will get on the end, on the insides. You can kind of see it there. So we'll make sure we clean off the glue so it doesn't get hard and crusty, or more important, so it doesn't freeze when we put this in our van today. Let's use a microfiber cloth, dry it off. Nice and clean, so next time we use it, it doesn't stick together. Works well. You can kind of see, numbered them on the end, 1, 2, 3. Next one, I'm just going to stand it up. I want to see it. You can see the white. I don't know if you can see the white on there or not, but this one's got a ton of glue on it. Same thing, dried off with the microfiber. Now we're gonna line them up. And then the last one. This one I can actually wash right here, so I can see it. The other side we can wash as we go. The inside one obviously did not. And a wallpaper table has pins. You can see the pins. There you go, right there. So I just put the pins so they face in the same direction, because if you take the wallpaper table, I like to stand it up on end this way in my van, so this way those pins don't get in the way. So once it's all lined up, we got our straight edge goes on the edge, and then these trestles, this little metal piece will pop up, this comes up, and it just folds straight back around, and then these little holders for the straight edges, you want to make sure that is folded in. Then when you put it on the table, put that end facing down, because when you lift it, those will fly out. When they bend, they won't go back in there. And then this one, I put the feet down. This one, I'm gonna put the feet up, because then they lay together. And then it has these special clamps. If you're taking them off, you only need these things finger tight. And it's just a little compression type thing. They go on. I'm just gonna give it a couple turns, and then nice and tight. Same thing on this one. Just hold it down. A couple turns to hold it, and you're good. So just putting a wallpaper pasting table back together. If you have questions about wallpaper tools and how to use them, definitely give us a call to Franco Finishes. We're here to help you. Love the space you're in.